Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change slide slice in Google Slides. Okay, you can change a slide in inches, in pixel, and portrait as vertical also. So you can change the Google Slide slice in any ratio. So I will show you how. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here first we need to go in the file option, and here just scroll down, and here you can see there is a page setup. Just tap on it, and here you can see the down arrow you can see, and you will see server option that you can use for your Google Slides. There is a standard 4.3 inches, 16.9 for widescreen, and so I'm going to go custom, and here you can see you can make changes manually, and you can also change the unit size like pixel, points, centimeter, inches. So generally people take inches and pixels, so I just take pixel. So if you want to make the portrait view or mobile view, or you can say, okay, so just find out the pixel size in Google. So I just search the portrait size in pixel. So you will have the perfect size of pixel from Google. So here you can see, so I'm asking for portrait size. Just copy the pixel. Okay, and just apply. So you can see the Google slide size has been changes. So you can make change anything by going again in page setup and go to the custom, and you can change it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.